Hi guys, hello, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. You guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today's video I will be sharing with you guys 5 different ways to style a blazer. Yes, 2019, we don't want to spend too much money on unnecessary stuff. We don't want to spend too much money on clothes here and there. So you guys, I will show you 5 different ways to style a blazer. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. And if you are not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. And you guys, let's go right into the video.
Alelele mama, amalala lelele, oh shake it for Africa.
Playlist babe, Adina, let me talk to me. Life is short, so you for live.
So if you see me today, I know my love, I know my love, oh my love. Anybody popping champagne today, I know my love, I know my love, oh my love.
For the Lord Himself is my portion. Every time we pray in your name, in your name. Everywhere we go, in your name, in your name. Every time we pray.
Can you just imagine? It's like these people didn't really know my true character. Yeah, foreign affairs, that is my department. You get to meet me only by accident. People didn't really understand my accent. I'm so janded. Look at all my garment. Excuse me, what is all this embarrassment?
Loving you, na scam. Smith your banks.
Hey, every time, why am I money? Hello, baby, have you sent it? You don't even know what you do to me.
Te gonchobalo, mwa de mangano. Idonte, I've been searching for you. Ote gonchobalo, asade moyoko. Idonte, I've been searching for you.